friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. I have already completed the first chapter of database management system. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it on the channel. Today I'll be starting the second unit, interactive SQL for data extraction. This consists 18 marks of weightage. So let's get started. In this topic, we will be covering 5 main subtopics, which is DML commands, operators and inbuilt functions, query using group by, order by, types of join, TCL, which is another command like commit, rollback, save point. Okay, so first it is DML commands. In the last lecture, if you haven't watched it, I'll give you an overview. We have done DDL command, which is data definition language. What does DDL command do? It deals with the structure of the table. Okay, and in this chapter we will be learning DML, which is data manipulation language. What does data manipulation language do? It deals with the table. Okay, the commands of DMLs are insert, update, delete, select. So to insert a record, we use insert into statement. Okay, so as you can see in the syntax, insert into table underscore name, values, value 1, value 2, value 3. This will insert the table. Okay, let's see with the help of example. Insert into persons, values 1 1 1 comma, mark in single quotes, then 26 semicolon. What will this do? It will insert values 1 1 1 mark and 26 into the person table. Wherever there is a character, you have to write that character within a single inverted quotations. Okay, so there are 4 ways of inserting values in a table. Way 1 is insert into table name, then values, value 1 and value 2. The second way is insert into table name. We'll write column 1, column 2, values, value 1 and value 2. Now the third way is we'll write insert into table name, column 1, column 2, values, value 1, value 2. And the very fourth way is insert into table underscore name, values, ampersand attribute 1. If it is a character, then in single quote we'll do ampersand attribute and ampersand attribute 3. This will display the values to that particular attribute. See, in example you will understand very properly. Insert values in table. What will this do? This will insert a row whose roll number will be 3, whose name will be Sita, whose marks will be 40 and address will be Dada. The other way of inserting data into table is we'll write insert into table name, then we'll write all the column name, then we'll write values. After that we'll write whatever data we want to insert. So this command will insert 4 in the roll number column, Savita in the name column, 50 in marks and Parel in address. The third way is null. So insert into student, name and marks, so values Ram 60. What will this command do? This will insert Ram in the name column and 60 in the marks column. The roll number and the address column will be empty, null actually. After that, the last command is insert into students, values, ampersand roll number, ampersand name, ampersand marks, ampersand address. What will this command do? This command will insert the records in this particular column. Now we have update command. Update command is used to modify the existing records in a table. We use update statement. Syntax will be update persons set age is equal to 28 where id is equal to 111. What will this do? A persons is a table, age is a column name. This will update the person table where id is 111. The age will be set to 28. Next is delete command. See, delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table. Syntax for delete command is delete from table name where condition. So we'll write delete from persons where EID is equal to 111. This will delete the record of the person table where ID is 111. Now next is operators. This is the next topic. In operators we have mainly one type of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, set operators, range searching operators, pattern matching operators. I'll be covering this topic in the next video because then it will become a very lengthy video, and this is a totally different topic and very lengthy. So I hope till now you understood the video. If not, let me know in the comment section your doubts and difficulties about the topic. I'll help you. Till then, tada, bye bye, take care.